Hello internet world, welcome to a new video on the Geekanoids channel. In today's video I've got a couple of mic preamps, they're active inline preamps from SE Electronics, which are really very useful bits of kit. They were sent in free of charge to me by the manufacturer, no money's exchanged hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm just going to share with you my experience of using these products over the past couple of weeks so you can make an informed buying decision. So let's get on with the reviews. This is the SE Electronics Dynamite or DM1. It's an inline mic preamp that comes supplied in this really cool packaging. Just look at this, very cool indeed. So first of all, top marks for the packaging. It looks absolutely superb. Inside the box you of course get the DM1 itself, and then you also get a sticker and a user manual as well. And this is the coolest, neatest preamp I've ever experienced. It is absolutely superb. So this works with XLR microphones. Your microphone will connect to one end, and then the other end is where you're going to connect your XLR cable. And then this actually provides a really clean extra 28 dB of gain. That is absolutely superb. So if you've got a microphone that needs a little bit more gain but without adding noise to your audio, then this is a great choice. It's really very cool indeed. It works with the likes of dynamic and passive ribbon microphones, and it's just great for if you're doing something like podcasting or live streaming, for example, and you just need that extra bit of gain in your audio without adding any noise. It's really superbly built. We've got a metal casing to this, really well constructed connectors, and it is very clean when it comes to the audio that it is amplifying. A great choice, and I think SE Electronics have done a really good job on this because it's so compact and just superbly made. This is the SE Electronics Dynamite DM1, and I can highly recommend it. This is the SE Electronics T.N.T DM2 preamp for XLR microphones. This gives you the ability to drive more difficult to use microphones and deliver a really clean amplification to an XLR mic. In addition to that, we've also got some really precise control because we've got little switches on the side of this, so we can choose between sort of 15 dB of gain and 30 dB of gain, and also you can dial in some different sort of ohms as well. So we can go from a low 50 ohms to 10 megaohms, for example, and find a really good sort of sweet spot for your microphone. Inside the box, which I must add is amazing packaging. I love the way this looks. Look, it looks like a stick of dynamite. Very cool indeed. And we also get an instruction manual or user manual and an SE Electronics sticker. We also get a little tiny screwdriver, which is nice to see. This makes using the dip switch settings or changing those dip switch settings a lot easier. And then of course we get the DM2 unit itself. Very compact. Love the materials that they've used here and the finish. This powder coating finish here is absolutely superb. We've of course got connections for your XLR mic and XLR cable. So this fits in between, so it's an inline preamp. And then we've got the little release tab on the side here. And then if we look around on this side, this is where we can adjust the load on your microphone. So this is where I was saying you can go from 50 ohms, which is really low, to 10 mega ohms. So this is the load, and then we've also got either 15 or 30 dB of gain on this bottom switch here. So really nicely designed. Love the design, and it is so well built. The circuitry inside really does live up to the claims as well. This delivers very clean, extremely clean amplification to your microphone. It is absolutely superb. If you have got a microphone that you're wanting to give a little bit more power to, something like if you're doing podcasting or audio recording, this works absolutely superbly. I can highly recommend you check this out. purely because it's so versatile and allows you to get so much more out of your XLR mics. This is the SE Electronics DM2 or T.N.T, and it's really worth checking out. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button. And if you want to pick up either of these products for yourself, please do check out the links in the video description. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.